Is the Fuji XF 56mm 1.2 the best Fujifilm lens? Or is there more to that question than meets the eye? Let me just say that when it comes to the best of something, a lot of times that's a personal decision. What might work best for you might not work best for me, and that's cool. We've got a whole bunch of stuff that we can play with, or indeed the tools that we need to get the job done. So there's not too much to compare the 56mm 1.2 with, other than the APD version maybe. You could say the 51 to 140 gets to that focal length, but not to that aperture advantage. And we've looked at the two lenses side by side in the previous video for what it's worth. So, is this the best portrait lens? Well, again, if that's the focal length you're looking for, I've got to say, you'll be hard-pressed to beat this lens. Maybe you prefer the slightly closer 50mm f2, and that is a beautiful lens and is also a little bit smoother and arguably a little bit faster for what it's worth. But when it comes to shooting portraits, you don't need blindingly fast autofocus. Yes, we did autofocus tests with this just for the crack, just so I could look at just how far off it is with the 60mm, for example, and other lenses that I own. Because frankly, for the purpose, there's nothing wrong with the autofocus on pretty much most of these lenses when it comes to a straightforward portrait, even documentary style of shooting. Now, if you're shooting much faster subjects, of course, that's where you might need to take into account the difference. This isn't a lens really designed for that sort of world, though. You know, just how fast are your models moving? How fast are your couples coming down that aisle? I would say this lens, coupled with a 16 1.4, and let's throw in a 35 in the middle, absolutely fantastic combination. But over recent years, I've found myself drawing away and towards the longer lenses, the 90mm, dare I say it, the Viltrox 85. I can get even further back, and I would really love Fujifilm to bring out something longer than a 90mm. There you go. Not a 200, too big for the sort of work I want to do. A 135, I appreciate it'll probably be a chubby thing, but that'll be cool. And Viltrox, that would be something you should look at, really. That would be something that, frankly, isn't done for prime shooters, at least. Now, the 51 to 40, fantastic lens, absolutely cracking pro lens, smooth, fast, beautiful IQ. You do just get, well, for me, a little bit of extra magic with the 56mm. Now, like I said, couple it with a 16 1.4. You haven't got the smallest possible combo, but arguably the nicest images, the most special, straight out the camera, fresh out the box images. But that doesn't necessarily mean they are better than the other lenses. Maybe they are for you. Maybe some of the others are for me. But what we're saying is you can't really go wrong with a lens like this. But let's just be fair when we talk about what's the best. What I'm saying is the internet loves to compare. Just get out there and shoot it. Just enjoy it. I want to hear what is your favorite lens or lenses or combo. Let us know in the comments below. I want to see if anybody has something really unusual. Just to, you know, oh yeah, my favorite is an 8 to 16 coupled with a 90mm. Why not? I mean, somebody else will probably say, yeah, but you're missing all of the range in between. There's something for everybody. You see a lot on forums, on YouTube, that mine is better than yours attitude. You know, Fuji users, Sony users, Nikon, Canon, we should all just get along. Let us know in the comments below what you think is, or about that question, the best Fujifilm lens. I'm off to play with this 56 1.2. It is very, very nice.